As competency-based education, CBE, advances to senior secondary school in grade 10 starting 2026, schools are already positioning their students' talent as one of the keys to job opportunities. Most schools are now holding annual talents and cultural fair as one of the ways to strengthen and develop students' talents. That is why Koelel Forces Academy held its Cultural Week, talent show and celebrations for 3 days that included career mentorship that saw a number of higher learning institutions engage students directly. The chief guest was Major General WKK Shume, DVC Research, Innovation and Security Studies at the National Defense University, assisted by CEC, Youth, Gender, Culture, Sports and Social Services from Nakuru County. The two emphasized on the need to nurture talent of the young people.
To the young men of Koelel Forces Academy, celebrating our Kenya's cultural diversity as we remind ourselves that our traditions, languages, customs, and histories are not relics of the past, but living legacies worthy preserving, promoting, and protecting. Goki Waithongo once warned, and I quote, "The domination of people's language and culture is the final stage of colonization." Let that not be our story. Let us not be generations that exchanges its heritage for fleeting trades. Be proud of your culture, your mother tongue, and wear your traditional attire with confidence. Learn the songs and stories of your people. These are not things to hide. They are our treasures to be proud of.
The Waziri in charge of talents as well, and I would like to urge us to nurture our talents, and I would plead with our teachers here to support the talents in this school. Have you ever realized that you can also earn from your talents? Wakina nani are rich out here, out of being an artist, being a comedian, content creators. Do you know them? Can you name them? Someone like Platinum, Sindio? Siagonado. So you can as well earn a living, a decent living. I would put it like so, a decent living or decent wealth through talents. And that is why we need to nurture these talents.
Various actions were on display, where students had the opportunity to showcase their talents such as singing, traditional and modern dance, contemporary art, spoken words, poetry, among others. Teachers were not left out in showing their styles of dance and moves. Different people attended the show to watch every action that went down in the school's history as the best cultural and talent show being its second edition. Lil Maina, the guest artist, electrified the event with his captivating performance which held the audience spellbound. Even the rains could not stop the event as boys and girls braced the light showers to continue performing amidst chants and ululation from students. Bodybuilding category was the climax with boys showing their body muscles through flexing, while girls from the neighboring schools showcased their talents in modeling in an event that was staged right inside one of the biggest barracks in Kenya. It was an event full of youth energy, excitement and cheerfulness. Eating competition was another interesting part of the event that saw over 15 boys eat to their full, some not caring much about winning. Besides curriculum delivery, the students got a chance to relax their minds through fun and play during the occasion whose theme was celebrating our culture, our pride. At the end of it all, the winners were announced. Mr. Koelel and Miss Koelel 2025-2026 were crowned at 8 p.m. ACTT Digital Media was on location to live stream, capture, document and to identify talents for future showcase on the international stage. The awesome event that was organized by a team of competent staff from Koelel led by Chief Principal Mr. Philemon Obenge, assisted by the teacher in charge of the Culture Week, Mr. Frank Nyambani. To other principals, ACTT Digital Media is ready to document your cultural shows. Call on us today. For ACTT TV, this is Udhiambu Andrew reporting.